Finding the perfect sewing machine for you may seem like a daunting process, as there are multiple sizes, brands, and features to consider. Some are better for embroidery projects, others are better suited for quilters, and certain models are perfect for making clothes or using thicker fabrics. That's why it helps to consider what kind of projects you want to make, as well as your experience level, to ensure the machine will be best suited for your needs. For example, mechanical sewing machines tend to be a bit better for first-time sewers, while computerized options have more features for professional or industrial use. There are even sewing machines designed for kids so they can pick up the hobby from a young age. We have listed the top 5 sewing machines and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, guidinggear.com. Number 5. Janome Derby Compact Sewing Machine. Sewing doesn't need to be an expensive hobby. The Janome Derby Compact Sewing Machine is the best affordable sewing machine for those who want to start sewing on a budget. Although affordable, this sewing machine has all the must-have basic features for a solid start in sewing. It features 10 built-in stitches, including multiple essential straight and zigzag stitches with 2 needle positions. An easy reverse lever makes it simple to backstitch at the start and at the end of each stitch. Other beginner-friendly features include a drop-in bobbin with a clear cover and clear threading diagrams on the machine. Built-in accessory storage help users keep track of small pieces. This machine is also impressively lightweight, weighing only 5 pounds, so it's a great choice to take to sewing classes and craft groups. This machine comes in several colors, and bright design is fun for adults and children alike. Number 4. Juki MO654DE Portable Thread Serger Sewing Machine. Juki MO654DE Serger is a small but durable machine. It has a solid construction body that makes this serger long-lasting. Its dimensions are 10.6 by 13.6 by 11.6 inches with a weight of 19 pounds. It provides satisfactory portability to sewers with these dimensions and weight. Juki M0654DE Serger is one of the fastest serger machines. It offers a super fast speed of 1500 stitches per minute. You can easily complete your projects quickly with professional results. The Serger sewing machine has 20 built-in stitches to create your customized projects. These stitches include 4-thread overlocker, 3-thread overlocker, 3-thread narrow overlocks, 3-thread flat lock, 3-thread rolled hem, 2 rolled hem, and 2-thread overcast. Another convenient feature of this serger is that its threading is easier as compared to other machines. It comes with a color-coded threading guide. Moreover, thread paths are marked to make sure the right and easy threading of the machine. The facility of the stitch length adjustment is also available in the serger. It's a very helpful feature while working on different types of fabric. The standard stitch length is 2.5, but you can adjust it at a maximum of 4mm. Simply turn the knob on the machine's side to change the stitch length. It is equipped with a bright light on the needle area. This bright light is convenient when working on dark fabrics or working under the improper lighting room. Juki MO654DE has a convenient adjustment panel located on the external part of the serger. You can adjust the stitch length and feed adjustment at this smart panel. It's simple and easy to reach the panel. Number 3. Singer Stylist 7258. The Singer Stylist 7258 is an excellent choice for beginners and intermediate sewers. It has what you consider to be must-haves in a new machine, with 203 different stitches available and easy threading thanks to its top drop bobbin design. The top drop-in bobbin is easy to thread and seat, so you won't run out of the thread in the middle of a seam. Programmable needle up-down allows for quilting, sewing appliques, or top stitching with adjustable stitch length and width visible on an LCD screen. You can create and embellish fashions, home decor, or anything else you want. To me, it is the best overall machine for the money. The machine size is 14.5 by 7.5 by 12 with a total weight of 14.8 pounds. It has 203 stitch applications and 100 built-in stitches. It has an option of automatic needle threader and fast drop bobbin placement. The sewing space is 5.5 inches and 3.7 inches height and has facility of 6 different styles of buttonholes. This is a high-speed stitching machine with an LCD screen. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine sounds quite impressive on paper. It has a heavy-duty metal frame, a powerful motor, an automatic needle threader, and it can clock 1100 stitches per minute set to its fastest speed. Of course, it's impossible to know a product's pitfall without testing it in person, so we picked up the Singer 4423 to see just how well it performed. We punched through thick materials like upholstery, denim, and leather, sewed basic buttonholes, and even tried out the decorative built-in stitches while we were at it. Keep reading for our assessment of the sewing machine setup process, design, performance, feature, price, and competition. The sewing machine comes ready to go, complete with a needle already in place. The manual walks users through threading their first bobbin, and there are also easy-to-follow instructions printed right on the machine. Thankfully, this machine comes with an automatic needle threader. You still have to weave the thread through the machine, but then you wrap it up around a little contraption that will pull it through the eye of the needle. This makes the setup process much easier. Other than that, all you have to do is plug the sewing machine in and flip the power switch on the right side of the machine. This will turn on an LED light which illuminates the sewing area and indicates you're ready to start sewing. Number 1. Brother GX37 Lightweight Sewing Machine. The Brother GX37 Lightweight Sewing Machine has a fairly basic appearance. The exterior is mostly white with blue accents in the form of a stitch chart on the front. The inner workings are composed of metal, including the needle plate. In terms of size, it's comparable to an average microwave and sturdy enough to stay put during rocky jobs. The Brother GX37 Lightweight Sewing Machine comes with 37 different stitches. This is more than enough for most everyday projects. Whether you're sewing the hem of your pants, reattaching a button, or tackling more complicated projects like making a quilt, you'll find the exact stitch you need. The stitches range from straight to zigzag to satin. This sewing machine also comes with an LED light over the sewing area. This ensures you have a clear view of your workspace. Whether you happen to be sewing in the dark or you're working with a darker fabric, this light helps you see exactly where the needle is aimed and how straight your stitches are. This Brother sewing machine also includes an automatic needle threader. This makes it easy to thread the needle on the machine without straining your eyes or becoming frustrated when the thread won't go in. Buying guide. Machines come with a lot of different add-ons, accessories, and capabilities that may not be relevant to you and just add unnecessary cost, while other features you cannot sew without. Here are some specific features to look before shopping. Number and styles of stitches offered. For beginner sewers, you will need just 2 stitches, straight and zigzag. More experienced sewers should look for a wider variety. For example, if you love embroidery or quilting, make sure to look for machines that provide those capabilities. If your machine doesn't offer embroidery or free motion sewing, those features cannot be added later on. Additionally, make sure the machine has capability to adjust length, zigzag width, and tension so you have more control over your sewing. Included accessories. Most machines include a bobbin and a presser foot, but some include much more. For the most bang for your buck, check if the machine includes a zipper foot, buttonhole foot, embroidery foot, removable extended work table, and an area for storage. Extra features. Some machines include specific capabilities that make sewing a whole lot easier, like a thread cutter, automatic needle threader, lights, free arm, blind stitching, and buttonhole capabilities. Once you have them, sometimes you cannot imagine sewing on a machine without them. Frame construction. For the longevity of the machine, you want to look for a metal frame option. Plastic frames are common, but can deteriorate quickly and be more difficult to repair. As with all the sewing machines, make sure to read the included manual carefully before sewing, as every machine has slightly different use and care instructions. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.